Alright, so I got my side skirts. This is what you're gonna get in there. And a lot of screws. You're also gonna get really tiny screws, like really small. Their ends are not gonna be sharp like this. I don't mind my bird. But yeah, so what you're gonna need right now is a heat gun, a drill to recut the holes, and I'll show you what I did. So the really tiny ones, they would go up in this. From the light, they would go down in this one. They're like really tiny. They don't have a sharp edge. So there's 4 of them. I mean, there's four total here, and then there's 4 on the other side. So you would do the same thing with the other side. You would have 2 pieces of this. You would have 2 pieces of this, and you would have 2 pieces of that. And put this side away. All right. So once that's done, once that is done, once you line it up with your car, you're gonna end up like cutting it with a saw or some kind of tool this much. Or you could even, when you heat it up, you could take the proper measurements, or once you have it installed, whatever is excessive, just heat it up and kind of cut it something sharp, or if you have a cutting tool, is perfect. And yes, let me show you what I did. So I heat up, this is like the jack points area on the car in the back. So this is gonna be, this much is gonna be probably extended outwards. So the car's gonna be, you're gonna see this part on the outside of the car, and this is gonna be inside. So the rest of it is fine for, you know, putting holes and stuff, whatever, to attach it. So this part right here, you just heat it up and cut it easily, and then you just take off this piece, because this area is going to be like the jacking point of the car. So this way, when you gotta jack up the car, it's really easy. But you could just make a, you know, 2 holes right there. You would put 3M tape somewhere, a Gorilla double-sided tape, not on top, but in the bottom. Put it on high setting. On the back side. You see how easy it is? I already cut half. I'm trying to show you guys with one hand. Look at this, it just goes into it. Then you would just kind of heat it up one more time. Look, it's already went through. So you would just, never mind, you don't even have to. But you could heat it up a little bit when you have to. But I'm just showing you guys, because I make the best content. There you go. And then you do it from the back, so this way you don't have the other side damaged. See? This is perfect. I'll show you guys real quick. Look at that. That is perfect. Yeah, so do the same thing on the other side as well. When you measure it, you do the same thing over there. Alright, so we're finally outside. This is going to be installed. And shout out to Ace, trying to start his YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to him. And he's going to help me out remove the old lip, the matte. And then we're gonna install the new one, gloss black. This one's more aggressive and looks really good. So we're gonna take this one off. We'll put this one on. You guys are into the process for this. So we're gonna go ahead and install the side skirts on this side. We remember last, but we already prepped it up. So we'll put it on this, see how it looks. So I want it to match all the way back from the front lip, all the way side skirts, all the way to the rear side skirts. And he's working. There it is, guys. It's already looking aggressive. Oof. That is nice. The link is in the description below for that. I know a lot of people start asking, hey, what's the description? What I mean, what's the link? What's the link? What's the link? I'll put it in the description below. Yeah, once it's down on the ground, we'll check it out. But we gotta get started on the side skirts. Oh, check it out. Yeah, we should have one in the end.
No, sir. There's no screw, sir.
Ooh, looking good.
I couldn't feel anything, sir.
Alright, so the acceptance, I'm using a saw right here, and that will cut off and make it even. And this is the one that got 86.7 or 86.8. It's almost 87 inches. That's the one. If you get the one that's 78, right, or 77, that one's gonna come short, like up to there. So you want to get the long one and cut it. I know, guys, the car is dirty, but I'm just showing you the work right now. It looks really good. Yep. Now finally, we got it with the front lip matching all the way back. I'm trying to focus. And go the other side. Look at that. And then it goes back. And then matches the rear side skirts. But comment below, guys, what I should do in the back, the diffuser. Which diffuser should I get? Akasaka diffuser, I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking only right now, Akasaka diffuser in the back. So let me know what you guys think, because I really like that one. And the T2 V10, I mean T10 and V2 diffuser that I installed on the white car. It's a bit aggressive for this look. But Akasaka, let me know what you guys think of that diffuser. And if you have one in mind, comment below and put a link if you can, so I know which one to install. I need your help now. There's a side view. It looks really good, guys. That's slow. A little bit. Yeah, the bottom. Yeah, that's a good view now. There we go. Now we're talking. Are you done, bro?
Almost.
And again, shout out to him, bro. Follow him. Follow him. Put his IG right there. Alright, guys, so that's about it. And the car's not down on the ground yet, but that's how it looks now, and I appreciate the support. Stay tuned, and I appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my channel recently. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Helps me a lot on the long run, of course. And that's it for this one.